So, you understand English, you watch movies, listen to songs, and even follow English videos like this one. But when someone asks you a question in English, your mind goes blank. You freeze. You want to speak, but the words just don't come out. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In fact, this is one of the most common problems English learners face. And in this video, we're going to fix it together. By the end, you'll understand exactly why you can't speak fluently, and more importantly, what to do about it, step by step. Let's begin. Part 1, why you can understand but still can't speak. First, let's answer the big question. Why can you understand English but not speak it? Here's the truth. Understanding English is a passive skill. You're receiving information, reading, listening, observing, and you're probably great at that. But speaking is an active skill. You have to take that information, find the words, form the sentence, and speak it out loud, all in real time. So if you're not practicing speaking regularly, your brain is not trained to do this process quickly. It's like watching people play the piano and then expecting to play a song yourself. You might know how it works, but you haven't trained your fingers to do it. This is the gap between understanding and speaking. And now we're going to bridge that gap. Part 2, what's stopping you from speaking? There are 3 big reasons why most learners can't speak English fluently, even if they understand it well. 1, fear of mistakes. You're afraid of sounding silly, of getting laughed at, of making a grammar error. So instead of speaking, you stay quiet. 2, thinking too much. You translate from your native language in your head, word by word. By the time you figure out the sentence, the moment has already passed. 3, lack of speaking practice. You read, you listen, you even write, but you don't speak enough. And without practice, speaking just doesn't improve. But the good news is, all of these can be solved. You can absolutely train your brain and your mouth to speak English confidently. Let's talk about how. Part 3, the 5-step strategy to start speaking fluently. Here's a practical, proven strategy you can use every day to unlock your spoken English. Step 1, start speaking alone. Yes, speaking to yourself is one of the most powerful tools. Talk about your day. Describe what you see. Pretend you're explaining something to a friend. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Get your mouth used to forming English words. Step 2, think in English. Don't translate from your language. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small things like I'm hungry or it's a nice day. Later, you'll be able to think in full sentences and ideas, naturally. Step 3, repeat what you hear. When you watch English videos, pause and repeat sentences out loud. Match the speaker's speed, tone, and rhythm. This builds your pronunciation and fluency, like copying a music rhythm until you get it right. Step 4, use new words immediately. When you learn a new word, don't just write it down. Use it in a sentence. Say it out loud. Make it part of your own speech. If you don't use it, you'll lose it. Step 5, record yourself speaking. This one might feel weird at first, but it's powerful. Pick a topic, speak for 1 or 2 minutes, and record it. Then listen to yourself. Notice what you did well and where you hesitated. Over time, you'll see and hear your own progress. Part 4, the mindset shift you need today. Now here's something very important. Fluency is not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar or a British or American accent to be a fluent English speaker. Fluency means you can express your ideas clearly, confidently, and naturally. It's about communication, not perfection. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. They forget words. They pause and correct themselves. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning, growing, and improving. Stop thinking, what if I sound wrong? And start thinking, what if this conversation helps me grow? Part 5, Final Motivation and Your Action Plan. Let me leave you with this powerful message. You can speak fluent English. Not next year, not someday. You can start today. Even if you're shy, even if you failed before, even if people around you don't speak English, you are capable, you are smart, and your English can improve faster than you think if you take action. Here's your challenge. Today, right after this video, speak for 2 minutes in English. Talk about your day, your dreams, anything. Do it every day, and in 30 days, you won't recognize your old self. You'll sound more confident, more fluent, more you. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it with a friend who also wants to speak better English, and subscribe for more helpful lessons. And in the comments, write this sentence: I will speak English every day, starting today. That's your first step. I'm proud of you. Let's keep going together.